Hello, good morning traders and investors. Welcome back to our morning trading recommendations channel. Before we dive in, remember that everything we discuss here is purely for educational purpose. Make sure to do a research or consult a financial expert before making investment decision. Now let's starting off with the updates in commodities market. The overnight soybean oil March month contracts rose 0.05 points to close slightly higher at 46.27. Dalian active farmer contracts dropped 80 points to close lower at 851 on the previous night sessions. Malaysia crude palm oil futures ended lowest on Wednesday, influenced by the weakness in real soy oil market in Dalian and Chicago, along with a lack of fresh demand. FCPO April month contracts dropped 69 points to close lower at 4268. The CPO contracts, the active traded contracts switched to April month from today onwards. Tracking the mixed performance in the real oil market, the palm oil crudes trade within a range in downside bias. In the daily charts, the price opened lowest on yesterday night and broke down below the crucial support, which is 4285 to 80 range. Now here serves as the resistance for the latest price. And the price currently in bigger pictures is hovering at the biggest upward channels, the bottom of the upward channel, and also if we're looking at the smaller time frame and hourly chart, it is at the bottom of the downward channels, meaning that here's a potential support range. But however, the market still in uncertainties. If the price we see if the price could break above the 4280 to F5 range, we might see the price still coming up against and likely towards a 4320 range to close gaps. However, if the price enable and fail to break up here, then we might see further lowers is likely towards 4200 range. So we continue to monitor, and the bigger pictures remain sell on rebound. So our recommendations for the morning sessions will be short position may be open below 4285 with the targets to set at 4262 and 4239. And the stop loss to set at 4305. Alternatively, long positions may be open above 4285 with the target to set at 4307 to 4333 and a stop loss to set at 4265. Next, we're shifting our focus to the index markets update. Overnight, Dow Jones surged 703 points to close higher at 43221. US stocks soared on Wednesday, with all three major indexes posted their largest daily percentage gains in over 2 months. The rally was driven by lower than expected core inflation data for December and a strong earning reports from major US banks. According to the Labor Department, the CPI index recorded the largest increase in 9 months due to rising energy costs, while underlying inflation pressure shows signs of easing. The Bursa Malaysia's benchmark index slipped back into negative territory on Wednesday, with nearly 1,000 counters ending in red as investors continue to sell off shares and amid the subdued market sentiment. FKLI January month contracts dipped 23 points to close lower at 1553. The FKLI in the daily charts timeframes broke down from the bottom, the support of the upward channels. The support is seen at 1563 to 65 range, and reaching the low at 1551.5, where we see the bounce back on yesterday evening sessions. So if the markets could come back into the range of above 1569, we might see the index to continue going highest toward 1577. However, the sentiments still remain bearish at the moment. Is resisted below 1567. So if the markets coming down, bounce back, resisted, likely to coming down again. And latest we see the support at 1560. So if this range could support, then we might see the index to consolidate at this range. If this range is not able to support the days slightly, the market will go further lower, likely towards 154 somethings, the range. So just beware of any sentiment change. The chart patterns remain bearish as we see the upside could be limited at this moment. So here's our wraps up for the morning sessions and successful tradings. Keep in mind that the market is ever changing. Successful trading requires both seizing opportunity and managing risk. Stay adaptable to market change and protect capital to trade wisely. Wishing you all safe and successful trading. See you in the next update and happy trading.